Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Transform Data Broker inside ServiceNow UI Builder. So what is this Transform Data Broker? A Transform Data Broker in ServiceNow is a server-side script component that takes raw input data, often from GraphQL queries, and reformates, manipulates, or processes it before displaying it on a page. Open any existing UI Builder page. Once UI Builder page opens, so on the left panel, under Data Resource section, click on plus icon. So you will see already existing data resources here. In order to create a new data broker, click on create and select transform. So give a proper name here. I'm giving it as transform example. If requires, enable this meteor server data. So here we are not changing any data in the server. That's why I'm leaving it as it is. Now in the properties section, add the following script. So if you see the properties, we are defining two fields here. One is user display name, another one is incident number. And coming to the script, I'm writing it as so here I'm writing it as initially it is taking a input user from user display name, and similarly it is taking incident from input incident number. Now, so in the output, it is concatenating user and incident by using user closed the incident number. So it returns the message. After that, click on submit. Go back to your UI Builder page. So go to data resources, click on new and search for transform data broker that you have created just now. So here it is. Click on add. After adding this, it will show you like ACL did not allow execution. To solve this problem, we need to create a ACL for this data broker. So before that, go to the data brokers and open the transform example that we have created just now and copy its sys. So in the platform, initially elevate yourself as security admin. Now open access controls. Click on new. So select type as UX data broker and paste the sys that we have copied previously. So assign role. So I'm assigning role as ITIL here. You can assign any role as you wish, but for now I'm giving it as ITIL and click on submit. So when you back to your page, you will see the output here. So in order to use this, add a layout and add any component. I'm adding here heading component. So in the configuration panel, bind the label with the data resources that we have created just now. So initially it is showing like null closed the incident null. So if we give inputs here, like giving a name as my name. And if I give any random incident number, it will automatically updated with that input values. So either we can manually enter here or we can directly bind. So it works in either ways. So to see the output, save and click on preview. So this is how we used transform data brokers in UI Builder by passing inputs, writing server-side logic, and binding the output to UI components. So you can also bind inputs dynamically from other data resources like lookup recorder, GraphQL to make your UI fully dynamic. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more ServiceNow tutorials. Thank you.